Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying inputs and capturing a clean reference. Choose your mic and Garageband preferences and record a 5-10 second test at the same level you will use. Watch meters to keep peaks below clipping. This gives you headroom for processing. Once done, enable a gentle low cut or high pass on the track to remove rumble under 8120 Hz. This first step reduces broadband noise and prevents later plugins from overcompensating. Make sure the test audio matches your session conditions. You now work through corrective processing. Insert a noise gate to cut background hiss between phrases, adjusting threshold until natural speech passes but noise is reduced. Next, use channel EQ to identify and attenuate narrow frequency peaks. Sweep a tight bell to find offending hums or sibilants and pull them down a few dB. If residual broadband noise persists, consider a spectral denoiser plugin. It reduces noise without affecting timbre. Make small, cumulative changes and compare bypassed versus processed sound as you go. You finish by balancing dynamics and preparing the file. Apply gentle compression to even speech peaks while preventing noise floor amplification, then normalize and export. When exporting to a lower bit depth, add subtle dithering to preserve quality. If you hear pumping, metallic artifacts, or vocal thinness, back off the noise reduction and re-evaluate each stage. Sometimes re-recording with improved mic placement or quieter environment is faster. One key troubleshooting tip: if processing creates artifacts, reduce intensity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.